What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on this Datsun 510 Bluebird from the Rally series, and we're going to go with some white rims, but I'm not sure if I should do the regular 5-spoke or like the more JDM 5-spoke. I think this one matches more to that. And we're also going to be working on this van. Now, in essence, we're probably going to end up doing 3 wheel swaps because we're going to slam it. We're going to slam this one. So we're going to see how that comes out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here is the 1975 Chevrolet Van G10. That white and blue just pops. All we did is just swap the base over. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I wanted to take those rims and put the regular tires on there, but I could not get those tires off. But I think this swap looked really good. The blue and white just complement each other so well. And that brush bar in front looks good. Alright guys, here is that Datsun Bluebird 510. I think it came out really nice. That white just looks really good on that yellow. And I like the racing decos on the side of it. I love the Silver Series because they do paint the taillights and headlights, and they always have decos on the side. I think it looks really nice. And of course, the only thing that's ever missing are the rail riders. And I think this came out really nice. All right, guys, here is the 1971 Chevy Van G10. Now, of course, this was the 4x4, but I feel like this looks really good, just slammed to the ground. And the white rims, I ended up finding these, and I feel like it matches a little better than the chrome rims that were on the blue truck, so we went ahead and did those, and the yellow headlights just pop. I really like how this came out. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.